This is Insta360 X4, and today I'll show how you can perform a gyroscope calibration in this camera. So at the start, switch on the device and launch settings by opening the control panel, go into the second page and tapping at this cog looking icon. Now scroll down, look for the gyroscope calibration and enter this page. Here you can either follow the instructions or repeat after me. So first, please place the camera on a horizontal surface as shown in the picture. So we'll do that. Then once it is placed on the surface, press the start calibration button. And now simply wait. And as you can see, the calibration went successfully. So that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.